In this video, I'm going to give a brief overview of the MC200 controller and show you how to change the time and date on it as well. So the MC200 controller is a digital high-specification controller for individual heaters that provides the flexibility of variable time and temperature control, as well as optimized start-stop protection. Adjustable frost protection, remote burner reset, and summer fan-only options are also included. All cabinet heaters are factory fitted with the MC200 controller as standard. One of the key energy-saving features of the MC200 controller is its ability to set a variety of time and temperature programs, including optimum start configuration with weather compensation. By monitoring the previous performance of the heater and taking account of the ambient temperatures, the MC200 can determine the optimum time to turn the heating. Optimum stop can also be configured to save energy at the end of the heating period. The MC200 controller can provide direct control both on-off, high-low and modulating, the latter via an internal generated 0 to 10 volt signal, which means it can be used on older models of heaters and replace obsolete controllers. The user keypad and backlit display allows easy selection of heating and fan-only modes, override functions and full reset. The MC200 will also provide a readout of burners' operating hours to ensure servicing at appropriate intervals when programmed with the correct data. It can also provide an indication of the running costs of the appliance. The MC200 controller features password control access, and this can be locked in various combinations to allow different levels of password control access. There are two levels of password control access, second level being for use by commissioning and service engineers. This provides access to parameters normally used only in the initial setting of the controller, accessing the fault log and resetting the system. When used with the remote sensor, the MC200 controller can be sited wherever is convenient, such as in the manager's office. If used with an internal temperature sensor, the unit should be located in a spot that is generally representative of the area to be heated. In such cases, it should be sited 1.7 meters above floor level, away from drafts and direct sources such as sunlight or heat emitters. It should also be in an easily accessible position for programming and operation. So now how to change the time and date. So from the main menu, just press Next. Press Next again, then press Next once more to come to the clock set menu. If you then press Select, you are presented with the date. So if you change the day by using the plus or minus button, then move on to the month to change the month. And finally, onto the year and press the next button once more. You move on to the time, use the plus or minus button to change the hours and then the minutes, and press the next button. Finally, onto the screen to save your settings, and then press the Quit button to return back to the main menu.